Hey lovely ladies and gentlemen, if I have any male subscribers. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this look. Well, mainly the eyes really. So this look. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn your bell notifications on so you can see every time I post a video. So yeah, if you have not been subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, become a part of the family, because we're lit over here, okay? We be lit. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. We're going into the Hello Charmers Boxycharm Eyeshadow Palette. I got this in my March box for my Boxycharm. So yeah, this is the palette that I'm going to be using to do my eyeshadow today, and I think it came out so cute. So I'm gonna do this eye for you guys. And the palette comes with these beautiful colors. So I use this shade, this shade, and this one. Okay, so the first shade we're gonna go into is the Cup of Joe shade. If you watched You, yo, Joe is freaking crazy, y'all. If you haven't watched You need to go freaking watch that show like right now. It's on Netflix. I can't wait for season 3 to come out because that nigga is crazy. When you think You crazy, nah, Joe is on a different level of crazy. But it's weird because it's so freaking fascinating to watch, and it's literally like, that's some of us. Like, no cap, we be that fucking crazy too. It's just, his shit is on tape. His shit is broadcasted for all of us to see. And no lie, that craziness is low-key sexy. I hope my boyfriend doesn't watch this video, but women love that low-key crazy shit. Not the killing part, of course, but we want a nigga to be obsessed with us sometimes. It depends on the guy. Like, if he's like somebody you really like and you know, you want that nigga to be obsessed with you, like, I'm a bad bitch, you better know what you got type of crazy, then yeah. But I don't think I want anybody killing anyone for me. I think that's on another level. If you have not watched You, I'm sorry if I spoiled anything. But to the people that watched it already, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, now we're gonna be using the unboxing shade. And I'm putting this into my crease area. So yeah, it's day 2 for me of this quarantine shit, and I'm already tired of being a parent. Yo, I saw this meme, like, they're sorry for the people who have to take care of their kids now. I am one of those people, okay? My daughter has been driving me crazy ever since we've been home. And I have to give my babysitter props because this little girl is annoying. I'm like, I need to start paying my babysitter more because this girl is hella annoying. And she be annoying on purpose too. So now I'm gonna go back in with Cup of Joe, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Because we want that to be nice and seamless. And that is it for the base. So we're gonna go in with some concealer. I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. So I'm gonna use this to cut my crease. That's too much. And I'm just using this as like a rough draft. Okay, so now that I created my cut crease, I'm gonna go in with a small brush and just clean up my crease. Now I'm just gonna go in with my brush and blend this out. And then I'm gonna set the concealer with some loose powder. Well, I mean some translucent powder. This is the Coty Airspun loose powder. And I'm just gonna take unboxing and just dab it on the outer corner and just blend. So now for the lid, we're gonna go in with Swipe Up. So that's this shade right here. It looks orange, but yeah, now you can see the little, it's like an iridescent, so it's like pink and orange and like purple. I mean, you can't really see it on camera, but it's so cute. So I'm gonna be using a Swipe Up on my lid. And now we're gonna go into winged liner. So for the wing liner, I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise All Day liquid eyeliner. It looks like this. Bomb.com, okay? I used to use this before all the time when I forgot about it. This shit is the truth, okay? Literally, if you're a beginner or even if you're advanced at doing liner or whatever, it just makes it so easy. Maybelline is definitely like my go-to drugstore brand. Yeah, I really hope that one day I could actually work with them because their products are fire and they're so affordable. So it's a win-win. It's a win-win. Why wouldn't I want to work with them? Why wouldn't you want to buy their stuff? So now we're gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm using the Tarte Big Ego. Like, I want to know, like, how are you guys doing? First of all, like, how are you guys coping with this whole pandemic? I feel like when I was younger, I never like actually experienced I don't remember anything. I know there was so many other, but like I was a kid when all that was happening, so I didn't know what was going on. Like, my fridge was full, I was watching TV, all this. I didn't have to go to school, and I was fine with that. I didn't even care what was going on in the world. But now that I'm an adult and I have to take care of my family, I have to make sure my fridge is full, that we got food to eat, we got toilet paper to wipe our booty, like all of that. It's like so life-changing to me, and this shit is scary. Like, there are people out there who lost their jobs, and people who are not working and not getting paid, and like, yo, this is real life. Like, I didn't know that this shit was going on, but I really hope that all of you guys are safe. All you guys have money in your pockets, food in your fridge, internet to watch some TV, my YouTube video, you know, Netflix, because I know we're gonna be at home doing a lot of Netflix and chilling, sex, masturbating, all of that, because we're literally home and not doing anything. So, but you know, since we're home and we're not at work, we gonna make the best of it. Yeah, we gonna make the best of it. So I'm gonna be posting videos for you guys. Hopefully I can edit it in time, because the only thing, like, I'll be busting out these videos, but the only thing is I hate editing. I found better editing softwares, yes, but at the same time I still hate editing videos. Somebody's kid is on the street wilding out right now. I don't know if you can hear it, but whew, I feel it for that parent. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna go finish my face and I'll be right back. Hey. Hey bitches, I'm looking real cute. All right, so I'm gonna be finishing up the eyes, the under eye. I'm gonna go back in with unboxing, and I'm gonna go under my eyes. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of coverage gel also. So this is the final look. Oh, I need to put on bottom mascara before I finish. Hey loves, so that is it for this video. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not been subscribed yet, and also turn your bell notifications on so you get notified every time I post a video, because we got more content coming soon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.